I was up 6% for the week and I went and panicked. I messed up. I messed up big time on Friday. What's up, guys? My name is Derek. I'm a developing ICT student. I've been trading the financial markets for the past 3 years. I recently transitioned to futures from Forex and I mainly trade micro E-Mini Nasdaq. So this week, I made serious profit. I've made much more profits in previous weeks than this one, but I feel like this week I really messed up and I needed to be accountable for what I did. All right, so first off, let's have a look at my journal. This is my report on February. So this was Friday. And on Friday on TradingView, let me show you on the 1 hour time frame. We have this market maker model that was running on Friday. It started running from Thursday. This was the initial consolidation zone, an hourly market maker sell model. Here we have the first consolidation here, first stage accumulation here, second stage right here. And then we had a low resistance liquidity run into the previous week high, that high right there, picked up the previous week high, and the market came right down, delivering to the sell side liquidity beneath this initial consolidation zone right here, this sell side. But on Friday, I could not spot this. Okay, I had annotated my chart from Thursday and I knew this was a market maker sell model. For some reason that I don't know, I forgot. I forgot that the market was on a market maker sell model. So when I took my trade at 9:30 on this candle, it was a buy. I had a buy position on and I held it. I held it and held it, hoping that the market was going to complete this market maker model right here. My buy side liquidity target was right here. What I had forgotten was that on Thursday, we began an initial consolidation. We had the first stage accumulation here. This was just a total bunch of consolidations. It was also a market maker buy model on Thursday, but this is way messier. I don't want to go into it, but it was also an initial consolidation, having a first stage accumulation here, second stage here, low resistance here. It's all messed up. You'll probably see it better on ES, but on NQ, it was messed up. Let's look at the bigger picture. Initial consolidation, first stage accumulation, second stage low resistance liquidity run at 9:30, and the market reversed right after that, delivering to this sell side. And that was that for Friday. This is how I messed up, because I bought and I held on and I kept on buying, hoping that we were going to move into this buy side right here. And I was wrong. And the way I trade is, if it is not a low resistance liquidity run setup, I put only one contract or at most two contracts in the market. But if it is a low resistance liquidity run, that is a round that comes after second stage accumulation, I usually put on 5 contracts. So I went in there with 5 contracts and the market was coming against me. Instead of taking my loss, I was moving my stop loss because I believed that we were going to buy into that high. And I kept on buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. And I moved my stop and they ran me over, and I should have stopped. I should have stopped at 1% loss. But when they were selling here, I didn't even know what they were doing. I kept on buying and buying right here. I bought here, and they were all losses. Okay, they were all losses. Until the market sold heavily down here, and I realized on the 1 hour time frame that this was a market maker sell model that I had overlooked, because in my mind I thought this was the buy side. This was the liquidity that we were going to go after. I wasn't even looking at it. I had annotated it on the chart, but my mind overlooked it. I messed up on Friday. I took almost 3% loss. Taking a 1% loss on that trade isn't the problem, because I went in big, but not realizing my mistake and having an oversight in the market and then going in hard and trying to buy, even though I clearly knew I was wrong, and I lost 2 additional% to the 1% that I lost on the trade that I put on Friday. So yeah, I guess that is the lesson for me because I went on tilt. So yeah, try not to do that again. Learn from my mistakes and then move on. And I should have been done, but from now on, I promise to do good and great. So I'm learning from this going on, guys. So thank you for watching, for staying and sticking with me. Please subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.